Luther had one of the boldest personalities
He
imaginable.
calls Luther a wild boar invading the Lord's vineyard. Challenges the authority of the Pope.
Tremendous amount of accusations, judgmentalism.
They couldn't agree on the role of
The
tradition.
Catholic Church denounces the Reformers as heretics.
The execution of heretics was a perfectly...
180 people are burned at the stake. Full-fledged civil war.
We split churches at the drop of a hat. 35,000 plus denominations and growing.
Thank God we got through the first stage. We're not in violent opposition. We're able to sit around a table in friendship.
The power of Christian unity is not found in our uniformity.
And the goal is not the deletion of a beloved tradition.
Unity is of the very essence, because without it, the gospel isn't credible.
And they're saying, but you don't love one another, so we're not interested in this Jesus.
We have to become more Catholic in order to become good Protestants.
Because even in the differences, we can find out a better understanding of who we are as we all strive towards that authentic Christianity.
And we Catholics certainly did. We spent hundreds of years expecting you Protestants all to come back to Mother Church, and then we'd have unity.
Can I envision a day of unity? In a certain way, I'm theologically obligated to envision it because Christ prayed for it.
I've never been through this, and I don't wish it on anybody.
Hurricane Harvey hit the Archdiocese of Galveston, Houston. Then we started seeing the water rising in our neighborhood. It didn't matter what church you went to. What mattered is that we were being the presence of Christ to one another.
His Catholic organization doesn't care that I'm a Protestant. We're working together, trying to join God in the loving and healing of the world.
When they see Christians doing relief work,
Trafficking, environmental issues, religious persecution.
Can they deal with justice and peace issues? Oh yes.
it will cost me so deeply. It could wreck my life, my money, my staff, my ministry, my reputation, affect my marriage, affect my children.
That time we've been living as a Protestant and Catholic couple, understanding that it's a picture of reconciliation in the body of Christ.
Spent a day with Pope Francis, and within half an hour of our conversation, he simply said, Jeff, you're a follower of Jesus. I'm a follower of Jesus. I just want to be friends.
Common ground abounds, and we should seize it together.